Happy morning, children. How are you all? I hope you are fine and good. What is our today's class, children? Yes, what is our subject? Very good. Social science. What is our subject? Social science. Which chapter? Chapter 3, part 2. What is our chapter name? Our earth, structure, relief and motions. Our earth, structure, relief and motions. In the previous session, what are all the things we have discussed to children? Is the layers of earth. How many layers? 3 layers. They are crust, mantle and core. Then about map. What is a map? A map is a diagrammatic representation of an area of land or sea showing physical features, cities, roads, etc. Then there are two types of maps, physical map and political map. In physical map, we can see mountains, rivers, deserts and plains. What is the use of political map? Yes, a political map helps to show political boundaries, names of countries and major cities. Today, in this session, we are going to discuss about some important topics, that is continents and oceans. What is that? Continents. C-O-N-T-I-N-E-N-T-S. Continents and oceans. A main huge continuous landmass. What is a continent, children? Continuous landmass is called continent. There are 7 continents in the world. How many continents? 7 continents in the world. Asia, A-S-I-A, Asia. Africa, A-F-R-I-C-A, Africa. Europe, E-U-R-O-P-E, Europe. Then North America, N-O-R-T-H, North. A-M-E-R-I-C-A, America, North America. The next to that one is South America, S-O-U-T-H, South. A-M-E-R-I-C-A, America, South America. Australia, A-U-S-T-R-A-L-I-A, Australia. And Antarctica, A-N-T-A-R-C-T-I-C-A, Antarctica. That is, again I am repeating, children, a main huge continuous landmass. Continuous landmass is called a continent. How many continents? 7 continents. Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. The next to that is ocean. What is ocean? A great large water body bigger than sea. What is that? Water body that is bigger than sea is known as ocean. There are 5 oceans. How many oceans? 5 oceans. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean and Antarctic or Southern Ocean. Okay, children. Water body bigger than sea is known as ocean. How many oceans? There are 5 oceans. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean and Antarctic Ocean. Yes, here this is our world map. Here you can able to see that continents and oceans. What are the continents I told you, children? Asia, Africa, then Antarctica, Australia, Europe, North America and South America. How many of them are here? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Totally 7 continents. How many oceans I told you? Yes. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Indian Ocean and then Southern Ocean or Antarctic Ocean. I told you or not, children? Yes. How many oceans are there? Count it, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Totally 5 oceans are there. Okay, children. Shall we move to the next one? Yes. Continents. Shall we see one by one now? Yes. What is the first one? Asia. It is the largest continent. The next to that one is Europe and Africa. Africa is also called as dark continent. Africa is also called as dark continent. Which is the largest continent? Asia. Next, which one is called dark continent? Africa. The next one is North America, South America. Next one is Australia, which is the smallest continent, children. Australia, which is the smallest continent, Australia, which is called frozen continent, that is called Antarctica. It is called, the frozen continent is Antarctica. Again I am repeating, largest continent is Asia, dark continent is Africa, smallest continent is Australia, and Antarctica is the frozen continent. See, Asia. Here Asia, this one is the biggest one, no? Yes, here Asia, this one is the biggest continent. Then Africa, it is called as dark continent. This Antarctica is called as frozen continent. And Australia, it is the smallest continent. It is the smallest continent. Okay, children? Yes, now we are going to see oceans. How many oceans I told you? 5. Very good. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and Antarctic Ocean. Pacific Ocean, it is the largest and deepest ocean. Next, Atlantic Ocean is the busiest ocean. And Indian Ocean, it is named after a country. Okay, children? Indian Ocean is named after a country. Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. Shall we move to the next one? Yes, this one is different from that. Continents and oceans. Island. What is this? Island. Very, very important thing, children. An isolated piece of land surrounded by water on all the 4 sides. On all the 4 sides is called island. An isolated piece of land surrounded by water on all 4 sides is called island. The best example is Greenland. Children, do you know Greenland is the biggest island in the world? Which is the biggest island in the world? Greenland. Okay, children, shall we move to the next one? Yes, this one is directions. Totally, how many directions, how many main directions are there, children? Yes, very good. There are 4 main or cardinal points or main directions. East, west, north, and south. Yes, what is this? North. This one is north, south, east, and west. On the top, if we are hanging the map, the north only, it only towards on the top. Okay, what is the use of direction, children? Is directions helps us to find places, and reading the maps. Now one interesting fact is there. The earth moves fast from which direction? I told you is very good, west to east, once in 24 hours. That is why we feel that sun moving from east to the west, but that is not true. In reality, the sun does not move the earth, it moves the earth only, it moves towards west to east. Yes, what is this, children? It is a very, very important thing. What is this? It is also a new thing for you. Magnetic compass. What is this? Magnetic compass. What is the use of this magnetic compass, children? Yes, magnetic compass, it looks like a watch. Yes, a magnetic compass, it looks like a watch. The needle of the magnetic compass always points towards the north direction. Towards north. What is this, children? Magnetic compass. It similarly looks like a watch. The needle always points towards the north. What is the use of this one? Yes, one can easily guess other directions too. Magnetic means having properties of a magnet. Who will use this magnetic compass, children? Yes, who will use this one? Pilots and sailors. To know the directions, they will use this magnetic compass. Who will use? Pilots or sailors. Okay, the next one is motion of the earth. This one previous lesson also we read, children, so listen carefully. Motion of the earth. The earth is not stationary. Yes, children, the earth is always moving. There are two types of motions. What is the first one? Rotation and revolution. Rotation, west to east direction, the earth rotates on its axis in 24 hours. It takes 24 hours. Yes, here model of our earth, this one north direction and this one south direction, and it is moving in the direction along west to east. Yes or no, children? West to east, north, south, east, this one, and west. North, south, east, west. In which direction it is rotating? Yes, west to east direction. With the help of this rotation only, we are getting day and night. Day and night occurs on the earth due to the rotation of the earth. Okay, children. The earth which faces the sun, that part we will get it as daytime. The remaining part where the sunlight is not facing, no, that one as night. Okay, children. The rotation, that one helps for getting day and night. The next one is revolution. What is this revolution? Yes, I think you all already you got the answer. What is this? Summer, winter, autumn, spring. What is this, children? Yes, what is this? Seasonal changes. The help of revolution, we are getting the seasonal changes. The revolution of the earth is the movement of the earth around the sun in an orbit, elliptical path. How much time it will take? 365 and quarter days. This movement of the earth is also called the annual motion of the earth. It took full 1 year, no, children, so it gets the name annual motion of the earth. It causes changes in seasons of the earth. Seasons on the earth. Okay, children, I hope you all understood this session. Now we are entering into our homework part. Read and write one time the continents and oceans, children. Refer your textbook, page number 22. In your book, page number 22, you are having this tabulation. Read twice, children. Read it twice and write it neatly, children. Okay, in the afternoon session, you will receive your classwork, children. Write neatly. The lesson 3. By this session, we are completing our lesson 3, children. Okay, we can see in the next class. Thank you.